When you see the Safety and Driver Support System temporarily disabled warning in your Mazda, it indicates a temporary issue with the iActiveSense system. iActiveSense is Mazda's comprehensive suite of advanced safety technologies designed to help prevent accidents and protect occupants. This system includes several key safety features. Adaptive cruise control maintains safe following distances, lane departure warning alerts you when drifting out of lanes, and blind spot monitoring watches your vehicle's blind spots. Additional systems include smart brake support for emergency braking, parking sensors for low-speed maneuvering, and various other driver assistance features. The warning can be triggered by several common causes. Environmental factors are the most frequent, including obstructed cameras or sensors due to dirt, snow, or ice on the windshield or front grille. Technical issues can also trigger the warning, such as low battery voltage affecting system operation, software glitches requiring a reset, or sensor calibration problems after maintenance work. This warning affects most modern Mazda vehicles equipped with iActiveSense technology, including the CX-5, CX-9, Mazda 3, Mazda 6, CX-30, CX-50, and the newer CX-70 and CX-90 models from recent model years. Understanding this warning is the first step in addressing the issue. The system is designed to temporarily disable safety features when it cannot operate reliably, prioritizing safety over convenience. The first step in troubleshooting is visual inspection. Check your Mazda's cameras and sensors for any obstructions like dirt, snow, or debris. Clean the sensors and cameras using appropriate methods. Use a soft cloth for cameras and avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the sensor housings. Try resetting the system by turning off your vehicle for at least 10 minutes. This allows the safety systems to completely reboot and may resolve temporary glitches. Check your battery voltage. The safety systems require adequate power to function properly. Your battery should read above 12.4 volts when the engine is off. If the warning persists, professional diagnosis may be required. Mazda technicians use specialized diagnostic tools like the MMDS system for comprehensive analysis and calibration. Software updates can resolve many false positive warnings. Mazda's 2024 update version 70.0760 and later reduced false positives by 40% in CX-90 and CX-70 models. Good news, 85% of safety system warnings resolve without professional intervention. Most issues are environmental or maintenance related and can be fixed with basic troubleshooting. Prevent future warnings with regular maintenance. Clean sensors monthly. Get professional calibration after windshield work. Check for software updates annually, and maintain your battery properly.